You're watching the Alabama Weather Network.
It's Tuesday, the 3rd of February. This is James Spann, Alabama's weather, featuring rain on the way. We'll see rain pushing in here this afternoon and tonight, and we turn colder for a couple of days, but the weekend is looking pretty good. Let's begin with the upper air look around the nation early this morning. Again, we have a northwest flow aloft, a little wave in that flow helping to push a surface front in our direction. We'll check the radar composite early this morning. A little rain around Shreveport and Minden, Louisiana. And we'll see that rain expanding west of the state, gradually moving in here this afternoon. So temperatures are all over the board. The cold spot is Gadsden at 25. But look at Birmingham at 43. And it's all a matter of clouds and wind. Where the sky is clear and the wind is light, we've got 20s. 20s all the way down to Andalusia, Troy, Greenville. But notice it's above freezing in Tuscaloosa. They've got 39. 37 for Hamilton. And again, clouds will increase statewide today. We'll check the watch warning map. Winter weather advisories up around Cincinnati, over into northern West Virginia. Of course, down here we'll see rain. Up there they'll see some light snow. But again, things are relatively quiet around the nation today. Here's the severe weather outlook. No severe storms expected. There could be a little thunder across Louisiana and some of the adjacent states. Tomorrow, no thunderstorms across the country, and the same thing on day 3, which is Thursday. We'll check rain for the next 7 days. This is valid through Tuesday morning of next week. And for Alabama, the amount's generally around a half inch, maybe a little more in spots. And basically, that's the rain we see over the next 30 hours, later today, tonight, and tomorrow morning. So let's break it down day by day. Model fans, European OZ run, 3 o'clock today. Again, broad troughing still over the east, a surface front approaching. Again, note that little band of light snow north of here around Cincinnati. But rain pushing into the state this afternoon. Let's go to the high-resolution HRR model, HRRR. This is valid at 6 o'clock this evening. Just a big mass of rain pushing in. No thunder, no lightning, just rain. And then by tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock, maybe some lingering rain down across the southeastern corner of the state. For the northern half of the state, the rain is over, and the weather turning noticeably colder. Temperatures tomorrow could stay in the 30s all day across the Tennessee Valley, 40s and 50s for the rest of the state. Then on Thursday morning will be pretty cold. We start the day below freezing for most spots. Many locations will start the day in the 20s. The high Thursday in the 40s for North Alabama, 50s for the southern counties of the state. Friday, again, many spots will be around freezing to start the day with upper 20s and low 30s. But a very nice warm-up. We're expecting highs in the 60s as far north as Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston. Interstate 20 on Friday. 50s for the northern third of the state. Should be a beautiful day. How about a quiet, calm weekend of weather? We'll take that. I think we've worked the last 3 or 4 weekends in a row. Saturday looks good. Again, we start the day in the 30s. The high will be in the 50s and 60s. The sky will be sunny. And Sunday, another nice day. Lows in the 30s. High Sunday, I think, will be in the 60s statewide. In fact, we might see some low 70s for extreme South Alabama. Just a beautiful day. Get out there and enjoy a little blue sky, sunshine, and pleasant conditions. Monday, same thing, dry and mild. Highs mostly in the 60s. And a week from today, this is Tuesday the 10th, look at that little ridge forming here. And with the ridge, temperatures will feel good. Highs well up in the 60s, maybe South Alabama touching 70. Moisture increases. There might be a sprinkle. But again, for now, we're leaving the forecast dry. Let's keep going. That's what we do. This is out 10 days. This is Thursday, the 12th. Got a ridge over the Gulf kind of nosing in here, a trough back in the southwest United States. And again, there might be a sprinkle at some point toward the middle part of next week, but nothing heavy or widespread. Temperatures very nice. Highs in the 60s and low 70s. Delightful. Snow fans not looking good, obviously, with the pattern flip and the warmer weather. This is the probabilistic outlook for 1 inch of snow or greater between now and Valentine's Day, the 14th of February. 0 here. Here's a look at rain for the next 15 days, valid through the 18th of the month. The mean, it's up there a little over 2 inches. It's beginning to tick up a little bit. And yes, indeed, temperatures look good. Now, understand, we'll have that little setback tomorrow and Thursday, a 2-day shot of colder air, nothing like the air we saw this past weekend. But then after that, wow, highs in the 60s, lows mostly in the 40s for next week. And again, this is for the central part of the state. If you're in South Alabama, a good chance you'll hit 70 on a number of those days next week. And looky here, latest long-range guidance. This is for the 10th through the 16th. Temperatures above average, if this verifies. Nice sunset last night. Again, many spots over South Alabama reaching the low 60s as the big thaw is underway after a frigid weekend. Good-looking moon last night, 99% illuminated. The moon was full Sunday night. And again, we had a few high cirrus clouds coming in. And again, we've got that rain on the way, but we can handle that. So today going to be up at the Shoals at McBride Elementary School in Muscle Shoals for a program there. Tonight, I'll be at American Village for a special awards program. Tomorrow, Edgewood Elementary School in Homewood. Love to visit Edgewood. That's a great school. After that, I'll be at Children's of Alabama for Weather Wednesday. First Wednesday of the month, we do weather programs for patients and their families there. Always enjoy that. Tomorrow night, going to be at the Club for the American Baseball Foundation banquet. That's always a fun event. We'll have some big leaguers there. We'll talk to them. Thursday, going to be in Opelika at West Forest Intermediate School. And then we'll be swinging by Southern Union Community College in Opelika. And Friday, we will be at West Blockton Middle School for a program there. So a busy week, but a great week. Don't forget you can catch my forecast on ABC 3340 News this evening, and you can hear me every day on great radio stations around the state, including in Birmingham, 104.7 WZZK. Thanks for watching. Have a terrific Tuesday, and God bless.